Unlock the full potential of your Windows 11 experience with our Ultimate Activation Guide. If you're seeing this watermark, it means your Windows 11 isn't activated, limiting some personalization features and displaying constant reminders. Don't worry, activating is straightforward and will cover all the methods. First, let's access the activation settings. Click the Start button, then select Settings in the Settings window. Navigate to System on the left sidebar, and then click on Activation. Here, you'll see your current activation status and the available activation options. The most common method is using a product key. If you purchased a retail copy of Windows 11, you'll have received a 5-character product key. Click Change Product Key and carefully enter your key into the provided field. Once entered, click Next. Windows will then verify your key with Microsoft servers. For many users, especially those who upgraded from Windows 10, you might have a digital license. This means Windows is automatically activated and linked to your hardware and Microsoft account. If you're signed in with your Microsoft account, it likely activated automatically upon installation. If you're experiencing activation issues, the Troubleshooter is your best friend. Click Troubleshoot on the activation page. This tool can often automatically resolve common activation problems, especially if you've made significant hardware changes. If your digital license is linked to your Microsoft account, and you sign in with that same account on a new device after a hardware change, troubleshooting can help reactivate your Windows. And that's it. Once activated, you'll see a confirmation message. The watermark will disappear, and you'll have full access to all Windows 11 features and personalization options. So activate your Windows 11 today and enjoy a fully licensed and functional operating system.